Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily restore the WhatsApp backup on your POCO C85. Alright, to restore the backup, first we need to have it created. If you don't know how to do it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you how to create a backup of the data, of our WhatsApp on this device, so you can find it easily. And now, important thing, before we open up our WhatsApp that we have downloaded on our POCO, we need to open up the settings, and let's make sure that under the Google, we are logged into the same Google account that we have selected during the backup process earlier. It is really important because if you will be logged into other account, you won't have a possibility to restore the chats, so simply make sure that you're logged into proper account. Once we have checked that, we can open up our WhatsApp, select your language and click on Agree and Continue, click on Allow to send notifications, and now we need to type our phone number. Also, when we will type it, we need to verify it. We have two methods. We can use the code from the SMS message, or we can use the missed call function. I always pick the missed call because for me it works simply better than the code from the SMS message. It's also simply faster. So now I will type my phone, I will verify it, and I'll see you once I'll do this. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, something like that should appear. Contacts and media. We need to click on Continue. Now allow for everything. And now we can restore from the backup, or we can also transfer our chats from the old phone. In this video we want to restore the backup, so let's select Restore from Backup, then click on Continue. Remember that if you don't do it now, there is a chance that you won't be able to do it later, so you should do this right now. Above we can also see the account on which we made that backup, and as you take a look, it's the same Google account that I was showing you in the settings of my device. Also we have the size of our backup and the date when we made it. You can see that 12 messages has been restored, so let's click on Next. In here you can type your name and also change the profile photo. Click on Next. And now you can see that everything has been successfully restored. Videos, photos, and also normal messages. So everything went successfully. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe.